Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. We're looking at security today, and we're going to jump into Binance. I'm going to show you how to add that secondary verification. So let's get into it. So we're on the Binance website and I'm on my dashboard. On the top right hand side, you will see your profile picture. Now, once you hover your cursor over this, you can go down and look for account. You're going to open up your account settings here and you will find a menu running down the left side of the page. And you can look for security. Once you have found security, you can see over here that there are two-factor authentication options, such as a passkey, an authenticator app, and then your login password. Now, we've already got our email and our phone number logged in here, so you can choose from a passkey, authenticator app, or a login password. So what we're going to do is use the authenticator app, and you can see over here there's a manage button. Tap on that and you'll be able to set up this authenticator app. Now, you can use one of multiple authenticator apps, but one of the authenticator apps that I enjoy using because it's easy to use is the Google Authenticator app. And all you have to do is tap on Enable Authenticator app. Now, what will happen is you will have a 6-digit code sent to the email address that is connected to your Binance account. And what you have to do is just enter that code in here. So we've got our code in here and we have now been given a QR code generated. Okay, we also have a unique key just over here. So there's two ways you can do this. On your authenticator app, you'll open up your authenticator app and you will now have to create a new account or a new profile that you would like to use. And when you have that option, you can either enter this key over here or you can scan the QR code, tap on next, and your account will be set up. You will then see over here, if you just go back, you will see that there's an authenticator app actually on your menu over here in your security. So you'll have your email address, you'll have your phone number, and with the authenticator app, it will not have this off icon next to manage. And there you go. You have now doubled up on your security on your Binance account. If this was helpful, please do drop us a like, share it with a friend. We'll see you next time. Peace out.